writer, educator, advocate for the sacred plant. Tammi Sweet is an energetic and passionate educator. Tammi has a master's degree in endocrinology and has been a practitioner of herbal medicine while teaching anatomy and physiology, focusing on primitive skills and herbal medicine. She is a co-founder of the Heartstone Center for Earth Essentials in New York, where she travels and offers numerous workshops and online courses. Her love, amazement, and wonder of the human body and how it works shines through as she educates in ways students can understand. Tammi combined her expertise in herbal medicine and neurobiology and authored the Wholistic Healing Guide to Cannabis, which provides a deeper understanding of the science behind cannabis medicine and the body's endocannabinoid system. Tammi studied herbal medicine with Rosemary Gladstar and Pam Montgomery, spirit and earth-based skills and philosophy with Rockio Alakarn, Brooke Medicine Eagle, and Tom Brown Jr., and has been influenced by many other wonderful herbalists, especially Stephen Buhner. Tune in March 24th at 4:20 p.m. Eastern Standard Time as we sit down with Tammi to discuss the road that led her to cannabis, her passions for teaching, and the plant science our government seems to be ignoring. Zoom live at www.facebook.com/Prohibition Talk Radio and find us on YouTube.